How to check mobile data uses on your Android. Your data uses information is found in your Android phone settings, and there are steps to take to find it will vary slightly depending on the OS your device is running. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your device's settings. You can either do this by finding the setting app in your app drawer or on the quick settings menu you get, and when you swipe down on the home screen it is on the one with the cog icon. Now, on the settings menu, tap mobile network. Then hit data uses on the next screen. Now, you will now be presented with the data usage statistics for the current month. As you can see, I have just over 2.5 GB data used this month, which is pretty frugal. Now, in order to check your data uses on your Samsung phone or tablet, you can simply open the settings app as explained in this section, and on the settings menu hit connections, and halfway down the next menu you will find data uses and select it, then finally hit mobile data uses. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.